Reading labels and names. Grade 1, Guided Reading Level H. What labels do you notice in your life that give important information? Information, facts that help you know something. Object, a thing you can see or touch. Envelope, the paper cover that holds a letter. Vegetables, plants we grow and eat. Mysteries, things you're trying to figure out. Reading labels and names. A label is like a clue. It gives important information. Labels tell the facts about an object. A box is closed. The label on the front tells what is inside. This label says orange. A jar has a label too. It says strawberry jam. The label tells that the jam is sweet. A bin has a label. The label has the word toys. This label helps keep the room clean. An envelope has a name on it. The name tells who will get the letter. It is a very important clue. A sign has a label. This label says wet floor. It tells people to be careful. A seed packet has a label. It shows pictures of vegetables. The label tells what will grow in the ground. A shirt has a small tag inside the neck. This tag is a label. It tells the size of the shirt. A library has labels too. The label says fiction. It helps find storybooks. Labels are all around. They give facts and solve mysteries. Reading labels helps every day. What does the book say a label is like? Which label in the book helps keep the room clean? According to the book, how do labels help every day?